Okay. Okay, since we didn't make the... Okay.
Go. Flying game.
Watch them go. Bye-bye, Durga. So tomorrow's plan is to keep both parties away. Like yesterday's plan, the car goes separate, but they forgot our luggage,
Quality work.
so they've come back. Just when they thought. Ashton is just setting the F up.
Fences be safety. Okay, so we have a long ride to Chonburi today. We slept very late last night, but we have adequately rested. In fact, slept a little too much. Pressure.
So I think we are already late.
Yeah, local time.
Kitna time ho raha?
So tomorrow, technically,
Technically,
it
it's a solo
sounds
ride.
like there is a race
We have a separate road to go, without tolls, without expressways.
against time. 9:44.
10 o'clock. We have less than 2 to 3 hours. Okay, take the first left. How to go to Bang now? Now I'm stuck in the middle of Bangkok going to 200 meters turn left, na bro? But we haven't paid attention again. Bang na, which bike you like more? Satyan. I've lost Satyan. It's not fun. Hello. Yeah. I think every traveler's favorite destination when you're riding in Thailand is going to be a store called 7-Eleven. Okay. Ready meals. They're everywhere. There's pork wonton, there's fried rice, they even have sandwiches. Sometimes there are places where... Oh yeah.
Electrolyte.
All kinds of food. 7-Eleven next to a 7-Eleven. Mac and cheese. In front of a 7-Eleven. Oh. You stop there for a quick bite. Get it like hot. At any time of the day. And the food is good. Thing that just swallowed us out of the highway. Not, this is not a review, sorry. This is motorcycle diary.
And almost like what 200 kilometers of mad dash leading up to this. That rush of ripping it on the highway,
Yeah,
leading to a point like this.
just like India, there are places even in Thailand where only two wheels can take you. We got lost in Bangkok. I stopped to pet some cats and dogs along the way.
Yeah, Chinatown. We got
Chinatown
lost at
followed us.
Chinatown, and there's a lot of cables, electric cables there.
And we couldn't hear each
Sena
other.
couldn't connect.
And Google Maps sucks because when you're on a motorcycle,
Yeah,
it will suggest you a route.
Head south. The next location we have to leave for now is 190 kilometers away again.
Wow, and looks like the rain god blessed us with a lot of rain. And there's so much lightning happened that we had to get a battery and put it in another GoPro. And we are again low on fuel. Satyan also low on fuel. His bike is also low on fuel. So pit stop required. Okay, time to fuel up the bike first.
So that's my keychain. How much total? Small fuel tanks. Long rides, small fuel tanks. Guys said if you don't ride in rain.
You don't ride at all, man. Look at how pumped up he is. Wow, dude, चल जाके football खेलते हैं, bro. What is that?
That's Jao ka kala, bro.
Pissing and pouring, dude. बाहर का. this rain. Like I almost forgot Thailand is a tropical rainforest. That is not the sound of thunder, but rather my stomach rumbling. But dude, the bike setup so well, dude. I am so fond of my bike right now. Are they right? Okay, yep, they have. Sadika PDRD. We finally made it to Chantaburi after all that rain last night. And by the looks of it, it still looks mess, which is our drying room where all our stuff is drying, yes. So the plan for today is we explore Chantaburi and see what it has to offer. But with rain on the forecast, I don't know how likely that is.
Yes, also we have almost 500 comments on all the posts that we're doing on Instagram.
Okay.
We need to answer them as well.
Wow, that too today? Maybe I have a location where we can sit and answer those comments.
Definitely.
Alright, let's do it. ये मार्केट में कुछ तो बात है. Wow, there's a beautiful bar where I feel like sitting and having a meal right now. Okay, what are these?
This is chips made out of durian. See, now he will stop talking and keep munching.
Banana chips. Wow, century-old homes, kind of reminiscent of one of the lanes from Goa. Doesn't look like mango tree. And whose photographs are these on the?
These are our beloved king.
Oh, and this is the king of Thailand. Oh, wow, just like Bhutan, the people of Thailand also love their king. Hello, Sadika. Almost like a beacon of good things. It's so good to see a very culturally different side of Thailand. This place is almost reminiscent of Europe. It's a big car in a small lane. Incidentally, also a BMW.
That Senna t-shirt is not a sponsored post. It's because we ran out of t-shirts.
And we genuinely purchased Senna stuff, so they gave us these t-shirts because we were really nice to them.
So all those alleys that you saw behind, they were actually given by the king to these guys, local guys, for 1 baht. Until this day, they pay 1 baht as rent. 1 baht is roughly 2 rupees. There's a very similar place in Bombay as well. If you know about that place, drop in those comments.
And how can a visit to Thailand be complete without visiting the massive ocean? And the way it has revealed itself to us is in a way we have never seen before. Wow, that's a beautiful beat will go by. The skies are absolutely And what better than two amazing friends, two amazing motorcycles by the beach, soaking in what Thailand best has to offer, the Andaman Sea.
There's a good chance there's no audio on the GoPro because it's too windy here.
Oh, Ashton, we missed you, dude. I know you are sitting in the hotel room, cursing us.
Over there missing the beach.
And this is exactly my spirit animal right now. You know, for all that rain that you guys took and all the beating that you took yesterday, nature has been extremely kind. Within 5 minutes of us giving the last take where we were glorifying the weather, it went into a hurricane of sorts. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's plenty of that was thrown around. Basically, we had planned for the Q&A right here, but because of the mad winds, the mad rain, we couldn't do it, and it's time to close. This place is about to close. We were here stranded for more than an hour. So looks like we'll have to scout for another location for Q&A, Satyam. And that we will do tomorrow, first thing.